And so, my friends, we do remember as coaches not to only congratulate and acknowledge people at the end of the entire journey when they achieve the final goal. If we wait for that, that will be too long. That would not be enough encouragement and support and reinforcement to motivate them towards achieving their goal. What we really need to do as great coaches is to acknowledge their efforts that they're making towards their goal and acknowledging their progress. Even small steps that are meaningful, we could acknowledge it as long as we do it in a sincere manner. At the end of it, you will see from the heart that every human being wants to be loved and appreciated. This indeed is one of my favorite quotes from Mother Teresa. She has helped so many people without food and money who have been poor, who are starving. And in the end, look at what she said. Mother Teresa mentioned, there is no hunger for love and appreciation in this world than for bread. Just imagine that there is this great hunger for people to feel the appreciation and the acknowledgement and the love that is sincerely coming from an effective coach that truly cares and believes in human potential for greatness.